Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make pigs in a blanket made with fluffy, soft bread, topped with everything but the bagel seasoning. To get started, add 260 grams of flour to your mixing bowl, along with 30 grams of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, 120 grams of milk, 1 egg, and 28 grams of softened butter. Using the dough hook attachment, mix the dough for 10 to 15 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Now spray a bowl with cooking oil, add the dough and cover. Let rise for 1 hour or until doubled in size. While the dough is rising, prepare 8 wieners by drying them off with a paper towel. Then sprinkle a little flour onto them. This will help the dough stick better. Now that the dough has doubled, flip the dough out onto a clean surface and press the dough to let the air out. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces and roll into balls. Cover and let sit for 10 minutes to let the gluten relax. Now roll each dough ball into a thin long strip. Then wrap the dough strips around each wiener starting from the middle and slightly overlapping the dough as you wrap around. Place each pig on a blanket on a baking sheet and cover and let rise for 30 minutes or until doubled in size. Whisk together 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water to make an egg wash and brush on each pig in a blanket. Then sprinkle on everything but the bagel seasoning or whatever seasonings you like. Bake in a 350° Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Once out of the oven, brush the tops with melted butter. Cut the pigs in a blanket into smaller pieces if you're serving this as an appetizer. And that's it! Add some ketchup to the side for dipping, and this is the perfect food to serve at a party. The bread, or blanket I should say, is so soft and fluffy. You won't be able to eat just one piece. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.